Hi, I want to talk a little bit today about 6 tips to consider when shopping for a lender. You know, the bottom line is different lenders all offer different terms, and the different terms and different fees, and it's important to get quotes from more than one lender. So the more you shop around, the more information you'll gain too, because some have a strength in a low interest rate, and some have a strength in no fees, and they kind of accentuate those, but you want to talk to a few and get the overall picture. So the first thing you have to do is decide what type of mortgage is right for you, whether it's a fixed or adjustable or two of the most common. It's actually, you should really talk and think about an adjustable mortgage rate. And I've done that in other videos. I'll do it on another, but there's every reason to expect that if you were to buy a house now, buy down that rate, maybe have a seller concession to help buy down that rate, you could probably get it down to around 5, and next year they're probably going to get down to 5 anyway. You can refinance into that long-term 30-year loan if you want, and it probably don't have to cost you anything and all that good stuff. But the bottom line is each one has its own factors, and you got to figure out what's best for you. So, home loan shopping tips. 1, get multiple quotes. Get 3 to 5 lenders at least. Consider all types of lenders. Banks, credit unions, mortgage brokers, non-bank lenders. Right now, banks tend to have better rates, but credit unions are catching up. So just be sure you check out a variety of different sources. And then compare your loans on the same day. Don't spread them out because mortgage rates change every single day, or at least very frequently. So you want to make sure you're comparing apples to apples. And then shop for a loan within a 45-day loan period. People say, well, I don't want to have them run my credit. Well, if you do it all within a 45-day loan period for the purpose of buying a home, it's not going to affect your credit. But if you spread it out, well, then it probably will impact your credit. And then, like I mentioned earlier, compare all the terms, not just the mortgage rate. Look at the duration of the mortgage and the associated costs, like the annual percentage rate, lender application fees, processing or origination fees, and closing costs. Ask for an itemized summary of your estimated fees. And then lastly, ask questions. Sometimes they speak in a language that we're not all familiar with, so just slow them down, make sure you understand what they're talking about and what it means to you and what the real costs are. So I hope you found that interesting. I know there's good information there for a lot of you. Thank you very much, and be sure to like the video.